For Team Excellence PK Exchange, we have Alcaraz, Gonzales, Aslarona, Patigdascani, and Damasco. Crew Chip, Ronnie Salansan. So, jump ball situation between Gonzales and Refalpa. First possession, and we are on our way. Wasalak basketball, Policarpio. Man! Baby Polly. Baby Polly. Bawi. No good for Aslarona. Padayuman, nakita ulit si Baby Polly. Policarpio, no good. Aslarona with a good board. Here comes number 3. Gonzales, not that time. Second try for Gonzales. Is good. First field goal for Team Excellence is Gonzales. Refalpa. Ganda ng pasa kay Menya sa ilalim. Kicks it out to Policarpio. Policarpio once again. No good that time. So Team Excellence basketball. Here comes Aslarona. Passes to Patigdas. Easy basket against Refalpa. 4-3 in favor of Team Excellence PK Exchange. Refalpa back to Padayuman. Now Buscaino drives. Triple team. Kicks it out. Now Policarpio. Policarpio cross court to Menya. 5 seconds to shoot. Menya. Refalpa shoots. Tumakas sa ring. Good ball. Refalpa once again. 2 points. Ando na yung number 1 hero ng Wasalak. Kung may one-man team, may one cheer. 10 seconds to shoot. Gonzales. Okay, number 7, Mike Gonzales. So during halftime, magkakaroon daw po tayo ng half-court shootout. Ball stays for Team Wasalak. Uy, yung usok daw po, yung usok. Menya shoots for 3. Good line, but no good that time for Ireland Menya. Here comes Team Excellence with Padik. Team Excellence PK Exchange. Magandang laban to. Naku, Policarpio. Way beyond the arc. Opening period. Padayuman. Policarpio. Policarpio nakawala. No look pass to me. 13 foul for Team Excellence. Joshua. Medyo pilit ang tira na yun. Patigdas. Uga rebound. Patigdas. Running with the ball. Patigdas. Loses the handle. 6 to Aslarona. Louis. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Gathers his dribble. Jordan shoots. No good. Patigdas with the rebound. Gonzales commits his second personal foul. Aslarona with an easy basket. Outplay para kay Louis Aslarona. Here's Bautista. The younger Bautista, number 3. Passes to for Team Excellence PK Exchange. Here comes Akot. Back to Damasco. Nasa gitna si Louis. Passes to Patigdas. Patigdas, double team. Loses the basketball. Louis Aslarona, second try. Wala pa rin.
Ayan na si Magingking.
Team Wasalak basketball. and 4 minutes and 45 seconds in our first and opening quarter. Padayuman shoots! No good. Burgos with a rebound. Sabi ni Patindas. Still Team Wasalat basketball. 4 minutes and 6 seconds. They are trailing by 7, 5 to 12. Almost stolen by Alcaraz. Mike Buscaino. Here comes Arman. Menia drives baseline. Kicks it out to Buscaino. Padayuman kicks it out. Open is Joshua Bautista. Daya passes. Given goal. Vincent, no good. Good box out by Mike Buscaino.
May palang tuck-in. Oh, dapat tuck-in.
Pakurza passes to Refalpa. Amorin, low for no good. Refalpa for the rebound. Siya pa rin ang nagbaba ng bola. Refalpa passes to Sonko. Drives. Bernard ka naman ang second try. As laro na, triple team. Naghahanap ng papasaan. Nakita si Depas. Kicks it out. Amorin. Sets for 3. Stolen by Reyna. And good defense ang pinakita niya na doon. Boss B, yung ano natin, flash. Ayan nga. Sa mga magpipicture pala dyan, sa mga selfie nyo, with the hashtag OEBS6. So, no good. Last pass, no team. Number 36, Pakunsa, pakitake ng maayos. Thank you. Maayos na take-in. Ayan, thank you. So, Team Excellence Basketball. Dayag to Amorin, left wide open. No! Rebound by Team Wasalat. Pakunsa to Menia. Challenging Dayag that time. Official score. 13 to 16. One possession ball game pa rin tayo. Louis on the top of the key. Akob nakawala pero malakas ang kanyang layup. Natumba rin siya pero tumama sa shoulder niya. Stolen by Pakurza passes to Menia. 3 against 5. Arlan. Dito na lang. Nagbibilit ang tira na ni Arlan. Aslaro na for the rebound. Passes to Amorin drives, hands up defense, agawan libat Amorin for the second try. Gaming once again, 14 seconds, 58 game. Pakunsa, Gadis is there for passes to Menia.
Nakita ko na. Matay ka kay Manny.
Balikan sa Amorin with the running start. Amorin kicks it out. Akob passes to Dayag. Rapida, nakuhulit si Dayag. Amorin. Grabe yung Akob talaga, yung talo ng Akob. Amorin ulit. From the middle. Damasco. Passes to Amorin. Amorin once again. Short pero Patindas with the rebound. Masyadong malakas yung tira niya. Refalpa. Post to post. May kakanta si Dayag. Habang may halftime shootout. Grabe naman niya. Jack ball si Jerry. Here comes Excellence. Tanda ng pasa naman. 25 to 17, 8-point lead by Team Excellence. Ang laban, Menia, drives, nabitawan, Buscaino. Pagdalipira ni Buscaino with an easy 2 points. Nakuha talaga ng highlights dito si Boss B. Damasco, nakita si Gonzales, libre. Not that time. Second time ni Gonzales, not that time again. Okay, so 43 ng gabi. May duty ka? Sino? Si Amorin? Pero si Dayag kakanta ng halftime. No good. Burgos. With the rebound, here comes Bautista. Joshua nakita si Burgos sa gitna. Burgos! Hindi maaari si Burgos. Sabi niya wala pa si Mike Patinda sa ilalim. So, nag-step up siya that time for Team Masalak. Kita. Personal foul on jersey number 3, Burgos. Second personal foul. Penalty situation. So free throws for Lagundi. Torotot lang ha, walang putok ha. Ay, putok pala. Paputok. Excellent basketball with 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Lagundi, isa na lang. Joshua passes to Kigo Vizcaino. Drives, nakita si Patayuman sa ilalim, pero Patayuman decides not to shoot. Ardesa, hindi pa gumagawa dito for Team Muasala. Amorin, nakawala. Nakakapit na Ardesa. Nakita si Bautista. Easy to goals. Ito na, pumasok na si Don Galimbas. Ganda ng block ni Menia kay Gonzales. Because Menia still with the ball. 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Libreng-libre si Songko from the corner. Wala. Natapik, nakuha naman ni Menia. Menia, harass by Bayag. Nakita ulit si Songko. Left wide open once again. Still cannot convert. Joshua trying to... Uy, nabitawan ang bola.
Mula!
Excellent basketball. 54-66. Damasco. Passes to Dayag. Wide open is Galimbas. Ganda ng peke ni Galimbas. 3 seconds violation. Go on. Team excellence. Mike Gonzales. More than 3
Galit
seconds
ang kalabaw.
inside the painted area. 54-66. Nagkahabol pa rin dito ng 12 puntos ang team Wasala. Menia looking for his teammates. Gathers his dream ball. Alley play to Ardesa. Ardesa sa ilalim. Masyadong malalim. Second try ni Ardesa. 56-66. Almost stolen by Bautista. Gonzales. Galimbas! Gonzales, second try. Menia with the board. Menia harassed by 2 defenders. Passes to Ardesa. Ardesas.
Vincent. Yari ka kay Eric. Bumagay na!
6 minutes. Damasco. Pausan, nakadulas. Alcaraz na libre. Free throw dito. Malakas. Walang bumax out sa kanya. Nakatapik sa likod ni Soto. Menia running with the ball. Menia tumatakbo kasama si Pausa. Wala. Si Damasco. Patigdas. Kumuha ng bola against Songko. Patigdas ulit. Patigdas. Left in left. Simple basketball. Mr. Simple basketball yan. Si Mike Patigdas. Challenge na rin si Songko. Menia! Good lang. Pero nakuha na Patigdas. No good. Para kay Mike Gonzales. For team excellence. For penalty situation. Menia almost loses the basketball. Passes to Refalpa. Refalpa. Tabutawan lang yung bola. Good defense. At pinakita ni Mike Gonzales dun. Uy, ganda ng pasa. Domingo. Gonzales. Bautista. To Refalpa ulit. Drives baseline. Ganda ng pasa kay Pacusa. Hindi lang na-convert. Alcaraz.
Siyempre oh.
Trying to make
Pakursa
the block
Bautista,
for Team
palitan mo buwan.
Excellence. Damasco. 10 seconds to shoot. Mike Gonzalez. 10 seconds to shoot. Menya. Nakuha ni Buscaino. Wide open. Naku! Takip ata sa ring ng Timasa. Hindi makabasket sila this time. Gonzalez. Damasco nakawala. Ganda ng bounce pass. Pero stolen by Menya. Here comes Domingo. Running with Pausa. Refal pass the trailer. Ay! Shot para kay Domingo. Pero Refal pa. Alcaraz. Bounce pass to Dayag.
Nice pass!
Mike Gonzalez, no good. Buscano. Tumenya. Refal pa. Ganda ng pasa kay Domingo. Domingo, good fake. Short 2 points. Time out.
Pag yung kalaban nyo, may highlights na kayo.
Last touch by Team Wasalak. Excellence to the basketball. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Tao-tao gaming. Buscaino with a stolen basketball. Pinasa kay Domingo. Domingo! No! Refal pa sa nag-fight kasama bang foul. Walang bumantay. Alcaraz nakawala. Alcaraz! Offensive foul. Offensive foul on jersey number
Gonzalez.
7. That is Mike Gonzalez. That is your 5th and final foul. Dun sa ilalim. Ganyan ang sportsmanship. Sa tindas. Nakita si Santos. Here comes Pakursa. Pakursa gathers his dribble. Pinasa kay Domingo. Domingo nakawala si Domingo. Very easy 2 points. Last 2 minutes, 1 minute and 39 seconds ang natitira. Naku, nauuna si Alcaraz. Apat ang hinahabol ng
Kung
Wasalak.
yun dati,
Pagkakataon,
Pwede yan.
pagbawasan ni Kiko Buscaino sa pagkakataon na to. 71-74, one possession ball game. 3-point lead by Team.
Ataw!
Dahil si Refalpa looking for a steal. Dayag against Domingo. Dayag. May tangan ng bola para. Dito si Refalpa. It's just a 3-point lead for Team Excellence. Balik kay Refalpa. Refalpa. Kiss it up. Domingo. Against from the sidelines as Patindas will be shooting for three. Crucial free throws to para kay Mike Patindas. Dalawang free throws to.
Inabahan ang itlog.
Para sa Team Excellence.
Wala pa nila. Ball position yun.
Nakapagod si Mike dun. Ball possession pa rin yan para sa Team Excellence. Wala na po, Bokis on penalty situation.
Hindi, wala naman talaga free throw si Mike.
74-74.
aminin na natin.
Laro lang po tayo, laro lang.
Papauling lahat yan.
Kapulka. Domingo. Domingo.